Hello, how are you? How are you? Now that you're watching this video, you probably haven't figured it out yet because I'm going to post a series of stories, one after the other to highlight the products in my collection. What are we doing that day? How can I get started? And I want to answer all the questions like this that you probably have in your mind. Give me a little time, I'll explain it to you in a few stories. All hours 00, beginner, semi-pro, or professional. Watch these stories. Let's go. Since you're watching, you probably just joined the group. Congrats on knowing this market. I remember when I started as a programmer and data analyst, it took me a while to get familiar with the financial market. This market is great for making money. There are plenty of fun things to do, but if you want to make money, this is straightforward. If you're a doctor, you provide services and get paid. If you're a builder, you create something and get paid. As a programmer, data analyst, economist, and storyteller, I was like this. Getting familiar with the financial market took time due to programming work, but it's great for making money. Working aims to earn money, right? For money making, this market is straightforward. Doctors provide services, builders create, both get paid. The financial market is like a river where you earn money for money. It's different from markets with many middlemen. Producers dream of listing shares. Strange, and all other markets reach this through a series of intermediaries. That means even the producer's wishes for his shares to go to, for example, his own country's stock exchange, or the world stock exchange, and be able to earn huge money through that. Otherwise, the rest of the money. You might know a wealthy doctor, but don't chase quick money. Some get robots and training from us, hoping for riches. But it doesn't work that way. Others think hard work for 15 years will yield billions. Focus and effort can help you reach goals in 3 years. Don't underestimate or overestimate. Becoming an engineer takes years of study and internships. Trading can earn that in a day, but it requires years of study. Effort is essential. It's not far-fetched, but not out of reach either. Some say, no way, if we work for 15 years, we might make 15 billion, but it's not like that. Focus and effort can help you reach goals in about 3 years. Don't underestimate or overestimate it. To become an engineer, you need 12 years of school, 4 years of engineering, and internships. You might earn 20 to 50 million a month. Trading can earn that in a day, but it takes years of study. You see, it doesn't take 20 years, but you must work. As a beginner, you need to learn. Even with top analyst signals, you must turn analysis into trades. Know how to buy currency, where, and safely. Understand exchange rates. Learn the whole story. We recorded a basic course, 3 to 4 hours long, to teach you the basics. It's worth your time. For the second part, executing trades, beginners need to learn. Even with top analyst signals, you must turn analysis into trades. If told the currency will rise, do you know how and where to buy it safely? Understand exchange rates, locations, and the process. We offer a basic course, 3 to 4 hours long, to teach you the essentials. Others take 30 hours, but it's worth it. We handle the initial part with algorithms and a robot, providing an assistant and calculator. Learn the second part. Check the course link below. If you know this part or have trading experience, or if you've taken the course, then. Why? Because I took the first part. We're going to handle that initial part and provide an analysis assistant and calculator. But you need to learn the second part. Learn. Now, if you already know that second part, you're intermediate. You know half. Only analysis remains. Now, things change. You need an analysis tool. As you learn, AI and your knowledge provide solid analysis. With solid analysis and prior knowledge, make trades. It's simple. You're semi-professional. You know half the story. Now, the analysis part is what remains for you. Now, things change. You need to have a tool that offers analysis while you start learning on your own. This combination of artificial intelligence and your own knowledge, which is human intelligence, offers solid analysis. Then, with that solid analysis and the knowledge you've learned before, you can trade. Simple. Now, my expertise transforms repetitive tasks and data analysis into a series of algorithms. There's a bunch of data out there, like Bitcoin prices, inflation rates, unemployment rates, and all that stuff you see. All of this can be algorithmically processed, so when you want to. From now on, my expertise comes into play, which means transforming repetitive tasks and data analysis into a series of algorithms. There's a bunch of data out there, like Bitcoin prices, inflation rates, unemployment rates, and all that stuff you see. All of this can be algorithmically processed. So when you want to, you see, there are certain principles you can use to find a margin of error that can help you predict what's going to happen with prices. These are some principles you can use to find a margin of error that helps you predict what's going to happen with prices. Okay, my knowledge comes from the fact that I already knew programming and learned about the financial market as well. I've picked up all these different lessons along the way. I converted the ones that performed the best and were very in line with the market into fertilizer. Now let me tell you how many hands there are. The first type is a trading assistant. TradingView, the largest charting platform, offers charts and a trading assistant robot with signals like Tesla Bank, Team 45, and Ikimoku. These are trading assistants. They provide entry and exit suggestions in a free tutorial, but you need to buy the product. Subscriptions are available for 1, 3, 6 months, or annually, with longer ones being cheaper. It's like a movie account. Instead of buying many movies, you buy one account. The robot's price might be 50 billion, but as software, it's much cheaper. They provide calculations for entry points, and I've given suggestions for exits in a free tutorial video. However, you need to purchase the product. Subscription options include 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and annually. Longer subscriptions are more cost-effective. It's like getting a movie account instead of buying many movies. The robot's price might be around 50 billion, but as software, it's accessible at a much lower price. Now, what's the second type? We call them semi-automated robots. These appear on the TradingView chart, providing entry points and specifying profit and loss limits. You can set your own limits for all trades in the settings. It's similar to the movie account example, where the robot's price is high, but software access is affordable. What's the second type? We call the second type semi-automated robots. These semi-automated ones not only show up on the TradingView chart, but they also provide entry points and specify your profit and loss limits. You can set your own profit and loss limits for all your trades in the settings. You need to make a change. It gives you a computer-generated backtest. In the Trading Assistant, you need to do a manual backtest. This one is computerized. What's the difference? First of all, their entry methods into trades are different, so their algorithms are fundamentally different from the start. The number of semi-automated trades is much lower, and we recommend it on a higher time frame, like 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. Use the Trading Assistant for lower time frames. Next, Telegram trading robots. Telegram is popular in Iran. We've integrated trading robots into Telegram for signal execution. Our latest product is Telegram Trading Robots. Telegram is the top messenger in Iran and may soon lead globally due to its features and user-friendliness. We've integrated trading assistant robots and algorithms into Telegram to send signals for trade execution. I'll provide the link to these robots below. Currently, 2 are available in the Millionaire Club and Star Club, with potential for more. If they resonate with you, use them. They're ideal for those lacking time for analysis, as they analyze for you when busy. Notifications prompt. I found this. Do you want to trade? Review and click if it aligns with your principles. I'll put the assistant trade spots down here. If any of them resonate with you, you can use them. It sends you notifications saying, I found this. Do you want to trade? It operates according to the strategy you set for it. So it goes and executes trades for you without needing to worry about the details. I need to explain them in more detail, especially about the 4 similar products we have. It works like that. But all these things I showed to explain, and we have detailed information on products. Since there are many of us recording, I'll explain them later. You can find the links in Telegram. Ask questions there. If a question hasn't been answered in these videos, it's in the Telegram channel free. The link is in the support section, but the last message is crowded. Click on it. It will take you to Telegram. Ask questions there. If you have something on your mind that hasn't been answered in this video or need support, we have a support team. Keep in mind that due to high volume, they might be busy. If a question hasn't been answered in these videos, it's in the Telegram channel free. The link is in the support section, but the last message is crowded. Click on it. It will take you to Telegram. Ask questions there. If you have something on your mind that hasn't been answered in this video or need support, we have a support team. Keep in mind that due to high volume, they might be busy. If you have any questions in your mind that weren't answered in this video, or if you need support, we have a support team available. However, due to the high volume of inquiries, they might be a bit busy.